We have here is a 74 LED, 8 to 30 to 60 hours a standby. 74 LEDs with 3 kelvins, 3000, 4000, 6000 with a 120 degree PIR sensor at a 10-foot range. Auto and manual, and auto on daytime and nighttime. We're going to show you what this product is about and how they open, and I hope you enjoy what you see. Today we're checking out this 17 by 1.5 by about 3/8 inch LED strip. It has 74 LEDs, 3000 Kelvin, 4000, and 6000 Kelvin. It could be manually left on for 8 full hours, or it could have an auto on in daytime as well as nighttime, and has a 120 degree PIR sensor that could pick up of a range of 10 feet. It is also dimming and more. It's magnetic. They give you square adhesive strips that you simply put onto the actual unit, stick it on anywhere like a ceiling, a staircase, by the bathroom, a closet, in the car, anywhere indoors. With the supplied cable or any USB-A to C port located on the back, plug in your unit and the red LED lights up. Takes a few hours to charge, 8 to 30 days of standby and use. The unit charges at 5 volts, 0.5 amps for a number of hours. On the back side are 2 magnet areas. You have self-adhesive stickers that you simply peel, place onto the unit, and hang up. For anything that is metal, you can simply hang on as well. Going over the manual, it tells you the button types, how to turn it on and off, and change through the different modes. On the leading edge will be your USB-C port, your on and off, and your change of kelvins. Short press will turn the unit on, and pressing the other button will change from warm, 3000, 4000, and 6000 Kelvin. To turn the unit on is pressing the button on the inner side once. To dim down is long pressing on the outer button, holding down till it dims and brightens. With the light off, holding the button on the outer will dim down and increase its brightness. Shutting off the unit is simply short pressing on the button and setting up for night, manual, and on. We're going to hang our light above the garage door. It is in the manual on position. The light will stay on until the light depletes. We're going to change the light from manual to auto on. The light is on auto on. After so many seconds, it will dim down and shut off. As the light shuts off after 20 seconds, 120 degrees, 10 feet, if it senses motion, the light will trigger on. The light triggers on, so you're able to walk down, walk across, have light where the light is at. In a staircase, a hallway, by a door, anywhere imaginable. The 2-pack light with washer magnets on the inside, self-adhesive stickers and magnetic plates to place anywhere you like. If you're looking for lighting up an area by a hallway, kitchen, bathroom, underneath the cabinets, your workplace, these lights may be something that you are after. Place them against the staircase runners, different kelvins as shown. The 74 LEDs lights up the garage nice and comfortable, and changing the kelvins so you can see the idea of what they look like in different kelvins. Warm, 3000. Medium, 4000. High, 6000. If you're looking for LED light strips that you could put anywhere imaginable, in the garage, in the closet, in the basement, a staircase, an attic, underneath the cabinet, by your work desk, these lights may be something that you are after. They're easily portable and they can be taken and used as a walking light as well. I hope you enjoy your product if these are right for you.